Hello friends, welcome to the channel How to Discover. In this short video, I am going to tell you how to download or install WhatsApp on your Android mobile phone. First of all, you have to go to the Play Store and type WhatsApp. There you go, WhatsApp Messenger. You have to click on install button. It takes some time. Now it is installing. Just wait a little bit. Now it is installed and you have to click on the open button. That is, you can make your account on WhatsApp. In this way you can download your WhatsApp or install your WhatsApp app on your Android variant. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.